Okay. Question number 1. Change 2%. Decimal 2%, 0.229. So to change from decimal 2%, we need to multiply by 100, or meaning 100 meaning shift to the right by 2 positions, which is going to be 22.9%. Number 2. Same thing, change to percentage, 0.053, moving by 2 positions, meaning multiplying by 100, and it's going to be equal 5.3%. Number 3, we have 5.3. That means if I move by 2 positions, 1 and 2, right? It's going to be 530%. Okay? Number 4. $5.582. That's going to be equal by 2 positions. It's going to be 558.2%. Number 5. We need to do opposite operation, meaning given percentage, 0.7%, and convert into decimal. Okay, 0.7, meaning going backwards. This time we divide by 100, which is by 2 position to the left. Okay, it's going to be 0.007. Okay, question number 6. Change to decimal. %1.3%. Okay, 1.3. Moving by 2 positions, 1 and 2. It's going to be 0.013. Okay. Number 7. %1,100. Okay, so when we say 1100, that means this decimal notation stands at the end, right? Because the whole number 1100. We are coming back by 2 positions, 1 and 2, right? Which means our decimal point is going to be where 11 is. Okay. Number 8. So what is 6% of 16? 6% of 16. I'm going to show you universal method, so no matter where percentage is given, in which form it's given, you can figure it out. So 16, it's our 100%. That's our whole numbers, 100%. 6%, remember I told you, same measurement under each other. 6% is X. So we do, this is proportion, and we do cross multiplication, which means 100X is equal 16 times 6. Okay? So from here, we want to find X, which means divide 100, divide 100. I understand in this case, you know that 16 times 0.06, but I want to show you that when we come more complicated cases, the same way you can calculate. Okay? So 6 and the 100, let's say by 2. Gonna be free, by 2 is 50. And then 60 and 50 also by 2. This is gonna be 8. Let me use this color so you can see which one we what. This is 8. This is 25. And that's it, huh? 8 times 3 is 24. And here is 25. So to get into decimal notation, we do 24 divided by 25. 0, right? And end of whole number, so we put 0. And then adding here 0, 240, it's going to be 24 divided, well, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So I guess I'm taking 24 divided by 2 is 12, which means I am going to take 9 times. 9 times 5, 45. 4 in mind. 9 times 2, 18, and 4, 22. If I subtract, 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. 150 divided by 25. 150 divided by 25 is 6. 6 times 25 is 150. So we get 0.96. So 6% of 16 is 0.96. Question number 9. What do we have? 186% of 54. Okay, so 54 is our whole number and 54 is our 100%. 186% coming X. So we make proportion and we multiply, cross multiplication. 100x is equal 54 times 186. Dividing by 100, dividing by 100, this is gone. So let's see, 154 by 2, 27 by 2, it's going to be 50. Next, let me see, 186, I can divide by 2, it's going to be 93. By 2, it's going to be 25. Okay, let's see, 27 times 93. And it's going to be, if you can multiply yourself, so you should get 2,511 and divided by 25. It's going to be 25 divided by 25. It's going to be 1 times, right? 25. Okay, let me show you because it's this is interesting, this division. Divided by 25. 1 time, right? 25. Okay, bringing down 1. 1 is not divisible by 25, 0. Another one also not divisible, 0. Since the whole number finished, ended, we put here decimal notation. So 110 by 25, it's going to be how much? 11 divided by 2, 4 times. So 4 times 5 is 20, 2 in mind, 4 times 2 is 8, and 200. Another 100 by 25 is 44. So it's going to be 100.44. So 186% of 54 is 144. Let me... Next, question number 10. So, question number 10, what do we have? 39 is what percent of 28? 39 is X percent of 26. Okay, 26, yeah. Again, 26 is going to be our 100% because we want find 39 of 26. So 39 depends on 26, right? 26 is our 100%. This time it's given 39, not percentage. So we're writing down under 26. 39 is X percent. This time we need to find percentage. So cross multiplication, I put 26x, right? It doesn't matter which one you multiply first. And it's equal 39 times 100. Okay. So we divide by 26. This is gone. So 26 and, let me see, and 100. We can reduce by 2, 50. And by 2, 13. 13 and 39. It's going to be free, right? By 13. Okay, when we are getting 150. 3 times 50. 150. So 39 is 150% of 26. Number 11. So, what percent, X percent of 50 is 15? Okay, X percent of 50. 50 is going to be our 100%. Now 15 is going to be X percent. So from here, we are doing cross multiplication. I am doing 50x. So wherever x is, I am multiplying that first, so x would be on my left side. Just because it's you're used to it, otherwise it can be on the right side also. No difference whatsoever. 15 times 100. Okay, dividing by 50 because we need x. This is gone. 50 and 100. This is 1, this is 2. 15 times 2 is 30. So it's 30%. Right? Okay, question number 12. Dave took an exam with 80 questions. He answered 52 correctly. What was his grade for the exam? Write the grade as a percentage. So if he answered 52 correctly, that means we want to know how many percent 52 is, right? From 80. So we're going to write down 52 is X percent of 80. So 80 is going to be our 100%. 52, it's going to be our X percent. So from here we have 80x is equal 52 times 100. Dividing by 80 this is gone, 0, 0, and 10 and 8. Okay, let's reduce, is 52 the fully divisible by 4? Yes, 13. 13 times 4, 12, 4, 5, yes. By 4, 8 by 4 is 2. And now 2 and 10 reduced by 2, 1 and 5. So and the answer is 13 times 5 is 65, which means 65%. 52 is 65% of 80. Okay? Question number 13. Okay, question number 13. Diana and Ross ate a meal costing $88.20. Okay, let me move a little bit down. Okay, $88.20 when they went out to dinner. If they want to leave 20% tip for their server, how much will they tip and what will their total bill be? So first we need to find how much dollar amount makes 20%, right? So X is 20% of 88.20, correct? All right. So what do we do? If 88.2 is 100%, then 20% is going to be X. So from here, excuse me. So from here, we are writing down 100X is equal 88.2 times 20, right? Okay. So we need X, so we divide by 100. We divide by 100. And what do we get? 120. So I can both divide by 20. It's going to be 1. This is 5. 88.2 over 5. Well, there is nothing more. So all we have to do is divide. So 88.2 divided by 5. Going to be 1 times 5, remainder is 3. 38 by 5 is 7, 35, remainder is 3. Okay, we put here the decimal point. 32 divided by 5 is 6, 30, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So it's going to be $17.64. Right? Okay. And now we need to know how much is that. So 17.64 is going to be tip. And to know how much total is going to cost, so it's $88.20. It's their meal. And add $17.64. So 4, 8.15, 9, 10. $105.84 was total bill. Okay, 14, question number 14. So follow the principle of estimation to find an approximate value for the following product. Round each number so that there is one non-zero digit. Do not find exact value. So first, basically, it wants to round first till one non-zero digit and then multiply. Why do we need such things? I use it now, let's say, when I'm trying to estimate something. So I'm not going into details, let's say $621. I just round till 600. Okay, or if I have $775, I just round till 800. So generously round, so I would know approximate value. Okay, so that's what it is. So if it wants to approximate till one non-zero digit, that means 676, it's going to be 700, because 7 it's higher than 5, right? We'll go higher, 700. 755, 5 is also higher, right? We have to round till 800. And that's going to be 7 times 8 is 56. And we have 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 560,000. Okay? Next one. Follow the principles of estimation. Same way, we need to round it. 58, it's going to be 60. 46, it's going to be 50. 70 is 70, don't touch. 43, it's going to be 40 because it's not 45 to go high. And 24 also, it's going to be 20. So what do we get? 60 plus 50, it's going to be 110. 110 plus 70, 180. 180 plus 40, 220. And plus 20, we get 240. Question number 16, the same way, we need to get approximate value, which means 7,95948. I'm rounding till 800,000. And 39, obviously, I'm rounding till 40, right? So 80 divided by 40 is 2. The rest 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. It's going to be result. Okay. 17, also estimation, 2773, it's going to be approximately 3,000, right? 32,506, it's going to be 30,000, right? And if we divide, we get 0.1, because here you have 3,000, here you get 30,000 by 1 0 more. That's why instead of 1, we get 0.1. And now this one, question number 18. A typical customer at local supermarket spends approximately $68 at checkout register. The store keeps 4 registers. Total, we have 4 registers open, and each handles 11 customers. So $68 for each customer. So we have total 11 customers. So it total make for 11 customers. Estimate amount of money. So we need to estimate, which means we don't need to get precise. So which means 68, it's going to be 70, 11 going to be 10. And we get $700, right? Okay. Since this is for 1 register, but we have 4 registers, so 700 multiplied by 4, 7 times 4, 28, and 2 zeros. And we have $2,800 the store received in 1 hour. Okay, I hope this video helped you, and I will record next one.